What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com. Today we're going to talk about Bonjoro and how it's making us a ton of money with our sales calls. All right, welcome back. So if you haven't heard of Bonjoro, we just started using this recently, myself and my VP of Sales, and I'm really loving this new tool and software. If you like reviews like this and you like how to make money online with better tools and equipment and softwares and whatnot, then you want to like this channel. Make sure you leave me a comment below, like this video, and make sure you subscribe and bang that notifications bell. All right, so let's talk about Bonjoro. It's really cool software here. It integrates with my Infusionsoft. Or Keep, they call it nowadays. And basically what it is when a lead comes in, it's a very personal way to send them like a video, kind of like a Snapchat, but it goes into their inbox, and they actually, most of the time they actually read it. You can see that they opened it and whatnot. So we get a lead in right now and we send them a real personal message, just to, hey, I see you're coming to Las Vegas. You got 8 people this weekend. I'm going to get back to you later today with a quote, but I just wanted to say hi and looking forward to working with you. So the way it works in any business, okay, the more touch points you have with someone, the better. It usually takes anywhere from 6 to 8 touch points to get a sale. The more personal you are with the customers, the better. And we're finding this to be really effective so far. I was out last night. A lead came in. I sent the guy out immediate Bonjoro, and today he booked. So it's pretty awesome software so far from what we can tell. And when a new lead comes in, I have it set up so it automatically goes into my Infusionsoft, and then it automatically populates from Infusionsoft into Bonjoro, and we have like a queue of our leads that need to get a Bonjoro out. This is what an email looks like. Bonjoro's to record. This one's obviously just came in recently here, and that's going to be assigned to my partner. But it's not that expensive. It was $99 a month. Or $79 a month, and then I think like 20 bucks per user. So we have 2 users, myself and my partner. So we're at $99 a month. But so far, I've already closed 1 sale in like a couple days. So, and he's having good results too. You can actually see when the people open the message, they can thank you. A lot of really cool things. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you here real quick. It's really easy to set up. Takes a couple minutes is all. I'm just going to say I'm going to have a new person. I'm going to send this to myself. And you'll see how it works. I'm going to show you on the app and everything. Brian at, let's go to Vegas, VIP services.com. Okay, see it automatically populated. It's pulling it in from my Infusionsoft. All right, and then we're going to go here to put my name, full name, and then it's going to just be a note, a tester. And we're going to go okay. And I'm going to assign it to myself because I'm going to be the one that does it. And then basically just hit create. And what it's going to do then is going to go into my my phone here. So let's go into the app, and I'm actually going to show you. Let's go into the actual app, and I'll show you what it looks like here. So we're going to do the MacBook Pro. I'm not sure why. Let me unplug this and plug it back in. Usually then it'll pop up. It's my iPhone. Let's see here. There it is. All right, so we're going to go into the app here, and I'll show you what this looks like on my end. It's really cool, actually. All right, so here is my cell phone, basically, the screen. Make it a little smaller so you guys can see everything. All right, here's the app over here, Bonjoro. So we're going to click on that. And you're going to see that lead just came into my queue. So we go here and notice the Brian Pfeiffer tester. That's the one here. So basically, you just click on it, and then you click record, and just like a Snapchat. Hey, this is Brian Pfeiffer. Welcome to Las Vegas. I just see you're coming out here in a couple weeks. Got 4 guys, 4 girls, looking for some bottle service. We're excited to work with you. Just wanted to send you a quick message, let you know I'm going to have a quote over to you later today. And if you need anything, just let me know. This is my cell phone, 773-459-8133, and I'm excited to work with you. We'll talk soon. Bye. And then you just click send. All right. Now let's go over to the handy email here and wait for that to come in. It should only take a couple seconds. Usually it's pretty quick. Let me go ahead and do a refresh, and I'll show you guys what what the actual message looks like. And it's getting like a 100% open rate, so it's definitely getting into the inbox, which is huge. Because a lot of times when you're sending emails from Infusionsoft or from ActiveCampaign, a lot of times that introduction email and some emails after that introduction end up going into the spam for whatever reason. All right, the email just came in, so it was that quick. All right, so here's what it looks like in the email. So notice it's got like a, you can tell it's like a video, okay? And usually it's actually more like a GIF, and it actually moves, but watch this video I recorded for you. So let's click on the actual video here and see what takes you right to the thing, and then you click play. And then,
Hey, this is Brian Pfeiffer.
yeah, and there I am. So very personal, and it goes right into your inbox, and it's like within seconds. So it's as simple as picking up your phone and sending these messages once they're in your queue. And, you can whip out about 10 of them in about 5 minutes. And then so you say you have like 10, 12 quotes coming in, 10, 12 personal messages just like that. It's super slick, super slick. I'm telling you right now, this is like next level marketing here, guys. So if you are doing like online sales and you are looking to increase your conversion rate, you need to get personal with your customers nowadays. We went through that era where like the bots were popular on ManyChat and all that crap. Those days are over, okay? We found, at least in my business, and I'm pretty sure you're going to find this in just about every business, the more personal and the more touch points you can get with your customers, the better, okay? I set up pick snippets. I've done a video on that. I'll put a link for that above. And, basically pick snippets takes like a bottle service sign and puts their name on the sign, makes the email look really nice. I'm sending them a video personal message here from Bonjoro right off the bat. We send them a text message. We send them a bunch of introduction emails with a video. Basically within the first like 10 minutes when we see the lead, they're getting like 4 or 5 touch points from us between all of our systems, okay? So we're just like, hitting them. So, we're trying to go one step above our competition, and I'm pretty sure our competition is not doing anything quite like this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video on Bonjoro, and I highly recommend using this if you're doing any kind of sales. It's definitely a gold mine, and looking forward to bringing you more good stuff like this in the future. I'm the Marketing Meathead. Make sure you like this video if you like the content. Leave me a comment below if you want to try this out yourself. I'll talk to you later. Thank you.